Welcome back, everybody. Chris here at Good Soil Nursery. Thank you for joining me. Today, we're going to be collecting seed here from Aquilegia, or better known as Columbine, Granny's Bonnet. So, how do you know that the seed pods are ready? Well, they're not dark green, like I'm going to be showing you in the picture above me. They're more pale, they're brown. Let's see here, if I can get you one here. This one, the top is open. So what you're going to want to do when you collect these seed is, I have a Ziploc bag right here. You can use a paper bag, but put them in a glassine packet. It helps the seed breathe a little bit better. I put them in the refrigerator. It helps preserve that seed for a lot longer period of time. And it also helps with the period of cold stratification. It's pretty much what the seed would do if it just fell on the ground, went through the winter, and then it warmed up in the spring. So just put it in the refrigerator. Helps with that cold stratification process, increasing your germination rate and the success of your seeds. So let's get started. Collect a little bit of seed. Now, where was that seed pod I was going to show you guys? This one will work. Now, you can cut this off with a pair of scissors. You can use your fingers right here. I was going to say, if this did not break off, just call me a liar. And if you see, here, I'm going to just walk behind there and make sure you guys can see. The seed pod's a little bit darker brown, or that pale green. And you can actually see the holes right there at the top of that seed pod, ready to release that seed. So what I'm going to do, just to help with the seed come out, is I'm going to actually pinch off the top of the seed pod here. And then just dump it around my hand. There's probably, I'd say probably about 30 seeds right now. And that is it. So what I'm going to do, just put these seeds here in my Ziploc bag. I'll show you first. Hopefully I don't dump any out. See how many seeds just came out of that one pod? It's more than enough seed. Car's coming, so I'm sorry about the sound right here. The Ziploc bag it goes. So now I'm going to collect a little bit more seed. Keep an eye on these seed pods to collect more. I'm going to put these in a glassine packet, put them in the refrigerator, get them ready for next spring to plant out. And that is it, everybody. Thank you for joining me. I hope you learned a lot. And until next time, bye-bye.